Hello and welcome back, team. My name is AJ, one of the mentors here at BitTrading, and today of course we are going to take a look at the price of Bitcoin. And I'm sure that you are all aware that Bitcoin has had a pretty hefty pullback, and we here at BitTrading have been making some really nice profits off of this pullback because of course we have been shorting this. So we're going to talk about that today and the next levels that we are interested in trading. So if that sounds interesting, smash that like button, subscribe if you are new, and turn the bell notification on so you never ever miss another upload. And make sure you watch this video up until the end, because like I always do, I will give you some really valuable information on how to profit off of these markets. But enough of that, let's jump into the charts and see what is going on. So as we can observe, Bitcoin has had a pretty hefty pullback, as you can see here, coming all the way down to $34,647, which was actually a target we had here at BitTrading. So the first target we had was 36,000, around 36,000 at this level right here. If I just bring up that pen tool, we had 36,000 as that first target. And I was telling you guys, if we were to break this level towards the downside, then the next level I would be looking for is 34,647 at the mid-range of this previous parallel channel that we were trading in within right there. So just level to level trading. Like I said yesterday, we're level to level trading. Very, very simple, but very, very effective. And of course, we have been shorting this because we entered into a short up at this level here. We entered into the short at the GP and the 786 level. Why did we do this? Well, price was coming into the GP and the 786 level bearishly. So what did we do? We took action by entering into a short, taking advantage of this pullback that was to be expected. Now, I was also saying $38,107 up here was a level that I'm interested in price coming to, and I would prefer to see price come up to that level, and then we get the retracement from there. But we cannot ignore the signals that we were getting here. We were coming into that GP and 786 level bearishly, so we have to take action and we have to short that. So that is why I told my visionary members over on the visionary Discord that I was entering into a short position. So this right here was the short position that I gave my team over on the visionary Discord. I very clearly stated I have shorted the GP and the 786 because we were seeing bearish open interest and CVD coming into that GP and 786 level. And as you can see, this trade has been a very, very, very profitable for us. Entry price was 37,274. And yeah, last night when we saw that big pullback, this trade was in over 484% in a profit. So this was a very, very profitable trade that I gave my team on that visionary Discord. So if you want access to this visionary Discord where I'm giving all of my trades away, then click the link in the description. It will take you over to bittrading.uk. Click join BitTrading here and you can gain access to that visionary Discord. Free code will be somewhere on the screen, which will give you 1 month free access. So make sure you take advantage of that because, like I said, it is a very, very profitable Discord. So we've had that pullback. We've been expecting this pullback. And I've actually been telling you guys here as well that I'm expecting this pullback as well. This video here, after you finished watching the video that you're watching right now, which is this video, then make sure you go and watch this video from 4 days ago. Bitcoin, time to short. This is when to short Bitcoin, trade setup and targets. This video will give you a really good insight into how I am looking for these trades. So make sure you watch this video. It will be a very, very informative video. It will give you an understanding of why I've entered into a trade here and you know, my whole sort of mindset behind actually entering into that trade. But we've had that pullback that we've been expecting. Where can we see price go from here? Well, if we're going to continue to stay below the $36,000 level approximately here, okay, if we continue to stay below this level, then we can look for lower prices. So if we come up, which we are doing right now, and we come and test that $36,098 level and we get rejected from that, then we can look for another move towards the downside. However, if we can get accepted back above this level, then of course we're looking for higher price targets, and I would be targeting these highs from up here at that 786 level at $37,600 approximately. If we can get above that, then we can target that bigger target that I have of $38,107. Now, this is my much bigger target, and I would like to look for a short position from $38,107, but of course we have to get there first. If we do get there, which for me right now, I would still like to see $38,107 being tapped. I would still like to see this level being tapped, but of course, we have to remain patient and see what happens at these lower levels, i.e., $36,098 and possibly $37,600 as well. So I want to see what happens at either one of those levels, but this is a bigger target that I do have. And from here, we could possibly look for a short. If price comes up here and we test this level bearishly, then what am I going to do? I'm going to enter into a short, of course, giving that short setup to my team on that Visionary Discord, as I always do. But that is a possible scenario that we could be looking for. Now, if we do get a continuation towards the downside, then I'm not stressed about entering into a new trade at all, because remember, we're still in this short position here. We haven't taken 100% profit off of this trade yet. We have taken about 85% of the initial 100% capital that we put into the trade, and we still have 15% left in that trade, and still very much in a really nice profit. So if we do see a continuation towards the downside, I'm just going to continue to ride this short position that we have entered into up here and look for possible lower levels to potentially long. Now, of course, after we made that low yesterday, we do now have a new possible long entry from $34,469 coming in confluence with that mid-range of the previous parallel channel, which, as you can observe, acts as resistance, as you can see right here, and also support as well when you get above it. So this is coming in confluence with that new key level that we formed yesterday. Now, if we can come down to this level and we look bullish coming into this level, what can we do? Well, we can enter into a long and look for higher prices, of course, but we have to wait and see what the reaction is like at this level, like I did for this GPN 786 level here. What did I do? I waited for price to come into the GPN the 786 level, and I waited to see if we were getting a bearish reaction. If we were getting a bearish reaction at this level, I was telling you I'm going to enter into that short, and that's exactly what happened. We had the bearish reaction, so we entered into the short. So I'm not setting limit orders at these levels. So I'm not setting a limit order here, and I'm not setting a limit order here. I'm waiting for price to tap the level. If it taps this level towards the upside bearishly, then we're looking for a short. If we tap this lower level bullishly, then we can enter into a long. So I'm waiting for that reaction. I'm waiting for all of the confirmation factors, confluence factors, and the reaction as well for me to enter into that trade, of course. So for me right now, all you should be doing is remaining patient and waiting for a key level to be tapped. Right now is not the time to be entering into a trade. There is no reason to be entering into a trade as of right now. Let's just pull up the fib here. Now we do, of course, have the new GPN 786 level coming in. We have a big area here, so we could possibly be looking to short this if we're looking bearish, but I would just prefer to see $38,107 being tapped for that much bigger short. If we don't look bearish coming into that level, then we're looking for higher prices, but I would suspect we would look bearish coming into this level because we've had such a big move towards the upside without any sort of major retracement at all. Yes, we've had a retracement here, but for me, it's not really a big enough retracement considering how much we've had how much price action towards the upside we have had. So yeah, for me, I would like to see a bigger pullback, but when that occurs, we don't know, of course. We just want to trade our levels. So that's pretty much all I've got for you today. Remember, make sure that you watch this video here. It will give you some really good insights into my mindset behind actually entering into a trade. And of course, take advantage of that 1 month free access. Code will be somewhere on the screen for you of that Visionary Discord. Click join Bit Trading here. The link will be in the description. So make sure you take advantage of that. But yeah, like I said, that's pretty much all I've got for you today. Thank you very much for watching. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Goodbye.